So this is the proper way to lift your engine with a hoist, and how we are going to set our lift chain. So we have our lift chain. We're going to use this screw and this screw back here. So why this screw and not this one? Because I already removed this bolt in here to remove the crankshaft. So if I remove this one, there's no support on this side. So I'm going to remove one on this side, one on this side, and should be fine. So let's take this very calmly, and we're going to set this screw aside, but we are going to use it. I also need to untighten this guy. By the way, I used a size 19 to remove that bolt, but that bolt was my bolt. I bought that one just to hang my engine in here. And now I'm just going to tighten this guy really quick. There you go. And I just need access to this little thing here, because I need to put this plate a little bit on the side so I can shove the plate for the lift chain there. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to get this kind of tool, and I found it. It's number 10. I believe it's a 10 millimeter, and I'm gonna use this tool here where it doesn't use too much space. So this goes through, and then you just set in here. I'm going to unscrew this guy. I need to take this plate out of here anyway, because I want the engine clean. There you go. So I just need to hold it with my hoist, and that'll be enough for me to release the other screws. So what I'm going to do now, you see that this lift chain has two plates like this, and you see the plates like bent. So it is bent because this side, the internal part, goes in the engine like this, right? Because it's going to lift like this. So what I'm going to do is this here. There you go. And I'm going to get a big screw I had, put in there. There you go. I don't want this to be yep, I'm just gonna get all the thread in there. It's getting out of there already, but this is enough for me to lift the engine. And I'm going to the other side, and I'm going to go in here. Sorry if I'm on your way, but and there you go. So this is enough for us, and of course you can see here the chain goes through this hole, and it actually you can center it in a way that's going to lift it properly. So let's remove this plastic. I don't need that anymore. But because I had oil everywhere, I'm going to try to just clean a little bit so it doesn't drip on my garage, and it goes smooth on my car, inside my truck tomorrow, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so the hoist is right here. Let me take this plastic. Alright, with the hoist ready, we get in here, hold the engine in there, and I'm going to lift just a little bit. the engine supported by that thing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let those other screws go one by one. I don't have enough tension. Alright, I have enough now. I guess I'm going to take this one first. Alright, it looks good. Take that. This one is a little bit smaller. This is 15, so I'm going to get probably 17. Alright. And, yep, that is enough. Let me see if I can lift a little more. There you go. I have my screws in here. Alright, so I guess the engine is on. Oh, there's just one last musketeer. Let me put my socket here. And that's it. So you see that is going a little forward. I don't think that matters too much because I'm not going to do anything in there. The only thing I need to do is take this plate, but I'll take tomorrow when I get in the truck. So I'm going to even do like this. And that's pretty much it. So the engine is in the hoist. The engine stand is on its way now. So I'm going to lift this. I don't want to push the engine too much. All right. There you go. So I have the engine stand free, and that's it. That's my beautiful block. It's clean, and it's gonna come back very, very clean from the machine shop. Let me take those guides here. I don't know if I'll be able to take this one. I could put this engine cricket put one more chain. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift that enough to use this as leverage, and I'm going to do that. I guess you don't need to, but I'm going to do like this. I don't know how fast this goes down. enough, and I need, but it's kind of tricky. There you go. All right. So that's it. This is how and where you put the bolts on your block, so you can assemble, put the lift chain in there and use your engine hoist. One thing I would say is don't do this thing I did in the last time at the end, because it wasn't balanced, and all of a sudden my the little thing that takes the gas out of there and it starts lifting down, it was stuck, so I didn't shut, so it kept going down. The block was loose up there. I would not hold this block if it fell on the floor. So, and I could get hurt. So just don't do that. Try to set up properly at the first time. If it's cricket, just let it go. But that's it. So you see how dirty this is. I'm not worried about the outside. I'm worried about the inside. The guy had a little piece of metal into one of the crankshaft bearings, and I'm not sure what else is inside here. So I think sending to a engine shop and get it cleaned by them is the smartest thing to do. So let's see if I can get a video tomorrow on that place, if they let me make a quick video, and that's it. Thanks for watching my videos. I hope you subscribe to my channel. There's a bunch of good stuff happening to the Monica, the Mitsubishi Eclipse, and we have turbo, all this stuff happening in the engine. So we are going to start assembling this baby here very, very soon.